I gotta fix the sound of my camera, fix the strap over here of my helmet. I love these straps. They just don't stay the way they're supposed to. There you go. Oh man, now it's pulling tight on my head. Hey, I'm Fish. Well, I tightened up my thumb bolt so tight that it still goes down when it's on the bike, the tripod, and the camera. The two infamous things about this camera that no one talks about when it first came out and today. I drilled it into your head. And let me remind you one last time. Spikes and flares. How did you enjoy my last video that I put up? That was a nice outing that I went on. We went and see how Chinatown looked like. Mott Street, Doyer Street, and all. A lot of history behind that video. I played that video on my large TV, and let me tell you, in person, on the large TV, and the laptop, all three different colors. The fourth one is you, picking the color you like on your side. All those 16 million different colors. It's high tide. Now let's get on going. Beep, beep, beep. I gotta pay attention to where I go. And that's why we're going somewhere else. We'll head on back. We'll do a little highlight talk in a new spot for you. For me, I've been there many times. Let's get on going to another spot. Just one of those days. Can't get a spot that you like. We'll head on down to where the boat is at. What is it with it today? Did I grab the magnet and take it with me? All right, I'm here at the highlight spot. What do I gotta say? You hear you don't say anything? Well, I guess we'll move along then, right? Let's pack it up. Get on going. Come, let's go. I'm just gonna go to another spot. So, all the piers, they got a makeover. New pylons, I don't think cement. What about this one, the bridge? Why did it not get new pylons, posts in the ground, but a top, an overlay? I don't know. How's the sun looking to you today? Nice and bright, baby. Mornings are still crisp and cool. Brisk indeed. I did some editing, and I swore I'd taken everything off the end, and I moved it down to where, when I dropped my camera down, it stayed rock solid, leveled. That it didn't have any drop videos, things like that. Guess what? Wondershare Filmora 14? It didn't do it. I had a mistake. A lot of the videos had dropped videos. Let's get on going. Take a little different route going home. All this traffic. Look at all this traffic. One way. Let's get on going. I'll come back later. You wouldn't be able to come down this block. Double parked cars, all the traffic trying to get by. Cannondale Adventure 2 front pad kind of starting to make that noise again. Well, maybe it's time to look for those pads. A little shortcut. Started a little too late. Should have started it before. Let's get on going. I like to say let's get on going. Come along, follow along, share along, but let's get going. The bakery is working. I smell muffins. Oh man, they smell real good. Well, I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, said some. Let's get going. Smile. They're on camera. Well, I am Fish. Let's just go find another spot. That's what today's video is about. Finding another spot. I'll see you on the next one. Maybe I have something more to share. And on that note, see you later, alligator.